In a groundbreaking announcement that could forever change AI, video, gaming, and digital interaction, Google has unveiled Genie 3, an incredible leap forward that promises to redefine what machines can create, understand, and control in virtual worlds. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a seismic shift toward AI-generated environments so realistic, so interactive, that they're indistinguishable from reality and ready at a moment's notice. For developers, gamers, industry leaders, and dreamers alike, Genie 3 might just be the final chapter for previous models and the dawn of a new era of immersive digital experiences. Buckle up. What's coming next will blow your mind. The evolution of Google's Genie project. To truly appreciate the significance of Genie 3, we need to trace its remarkable journey. Google's Genie project was first introduced around February 2024 as a prompt-based game model. Early versions, Genie 1 and Genie 2, laid the foundation but faced notable limitations. Genie 1, in its infancy, could generate brief snippets, mere seconds of interactive gameplay, hardly enough for meaningful engagement. Soon after, the AI Doom project surfaced, not directly from Google, but showcasing similar advancements in interactive video generation. Despite its ingenuity, it still grappled with a core challenge: object permanence. The AI's inability to recognize and track objects across frames meant that continuity and realism remained elusive. December 2024 marked a milestone with Genie 2, a significant leap forward. It introduced the capacity to interpret static images and extrapolate them into 3D environments, allowing users to walk around within a single image. This was a game changer, opening doors to more immersive experiences. Yet, even Genie 2 struggled with consistency. Parallel to the Genie project, Google's VIO video model series, including V2 and V3, emerged as some of the most advanced video generation models. They excelled at understanding physics, how objects move, interact, and respond to forces. Enter Genie 3, fast forward to today, and Google's reveal of Genie 3 signals a paradigm shift. This isn't merely an incremental upgrade, it's a transformative breakthrough. Genie 3 functions as a general-purpose world model, a system capable of generating, understanding, and manipulating complex environments across a vast diversity of contexts. What makes Genie 3 stand out? First, its ability to produce longer, more detailed video segments, approximately 5 times longer than Genie 2's outputs. While earlier versions struggled with stability, blur, or mushiness, Genie 3 maintains high fidelity, clarity, and coherence over extended sequences. The video is generated frame by frame based on the previous frame, rather than relying on traditional game engines or pre-made assets. In essence, Genie 3 is not just creating static images or short clips. It's building living, breathing virtual worlds that viewers can explore, manipulate, and interact with in real time. Imagine a scene where you can look around, walk through spaces, and even change elements, all seamlessly and convincingly. How Genie 3 works. To grasp the magnitude of Genie 3's capabilities, let's delve into its technical prowess. Unlike earlier models that produce disjointed, fleeting visuals, Genie 3 creates environments with object permanence. Objects stay consistent and recognizable as you move around. This marks a significant stride toward AI that can understand and mimic real-world physics and spatial relationships. For example, in a demo, Google showcased a scene where a user could navigate through a virtual environment, observe water splashing from a jet ski, and see wet spots on the sidewalk that behave realistically. The water's spray, the reflections, the shadows all remain consistent and believable. The AI generates scenes at 720p resolution and 24 frames per second, which, while not yet suitable for stereoscopic VR, is impressive for real-time video generation. The scenes are controllable, meaning users can issue prompts, adding objects, changing environments, or directing the camera to customize the experience on the fly. One notable feature is its promptability. Starting from a short clip, users can instruct the AI to expand or modify the scene. For instance, a brief video of a person walking can be transformed into a longer sequence where a brown bear joins the scene, or a person in a chicken suit runs past. The AI responds intelligently, adding elements that fit naturally into the context. Furthermore, the model's physics understanding is exceptional. It captures realistic movement, walk cycles, weight, momentum, and maintains object interactions seamlessly. This is especially evident in scenes like water sprays or moving vehicles, where the environment responds convincingly to simulated forces. A leap toward object permanence and contextual memory. A persistent challenge in AI-generated environments has been object permanence, the ability to recognize, remember, and maintain objects across frames. Previous models often forgot or distorted objects after a few seconds, destroying immersion. Genie 3 shows remarkable progress here. It can sustain environments for several minutes, with visual memory extending up to 1 minute. For example, in a demo, a double-handed coffee cup placed in a scene was still present and consistent after a lengthy exploration, even when revisiting the scene later. This consistency is not simply stitched together by stitching images. It emerges from the model's understanding that these objects exist within a coherent world. It creates environments from scratch, maintaining logical continuity and enabling the AI to predict future scenes based on past context. This emergent object permanence moves AI closer to a state of lucid dreaming, where it is aware of its virtual environment and can modify or extend scenes with contextual awareness. Previously, AI hallucinated or produced disconnected visuals. Now it constructs believable worlds with a sense of permanence and causality, a gateway to reality and practical applications. While the immediate excitement surrounds gaming, video, and entertainment, the implications extend far beyond. With Genie 3, Google hints at a future where virtual worlds could be as rich and detailed as the real one, if not more so. Imagine integrating Genie with Google Maps and Street View data. The AI could generate accurate, explorable virtual representations of cities or landmarks, offering immersive tours for education, urban planning, or tourism. Architectural firms could walk clients through virtual models before construction even begins. Emergency responders could simulate disaster scenarios with unprecedented realism. In robotics and autonomous vehicles, Genie's physics and environment understanding could help create realistic training environments. Robots could practice navigating complex, dynamic scenes in virtual settings that mimic real-world physics, reducing development time and improving safety. In education and training, customizable virtual environments could simulate complex procedures, from medical surgeries to mechanical repairs, tailored to individual learners' needs. The AI's ability to generate diverse scenarios on demand offers a new frontier in experiential learning. The user experience. One of the most exciting aspects of Genie 3 is its promptability. Users can influence scenes with simple instructions, making it an interactive storytelling engine. For example, a scene can start as a simple room, then be expanded to include a bear, a person in a chicken suit, or a jet ski racing along a river, all through natural language prompts. This opens doors to creative exploration. Artists, writers, and game designers can craft entire worlds without extensive manual modeling. Instead, they guide AI with prompts, and Genie 3 constructs immersive, believable environments instantly. What's still to come? Despite the remarkable progress, Genie 3 is not yet perfect. Currently, it outputs at 720p resolution and 24 FPS, which limits potential VR applications requiring stereoscopic depth and higher fidelity. Also, while object permanence has improved, it's not yet perfect over extended periods or complex scenes. Moreover, the system is still in limited access, available only to a select group of researchers and creators. Google has historically been cautious about releasing such powerful models, fearing misuse, misinformation, or unintended consequences. When will we experience it? While Genie 3's full public release remains on the horizon, Google's pattern suggests that such groundbreaking models tend to become more widely available over time. Past projects like VIO and earlier Genie versions started as closed research tools and eventually reached commercial and consumer markets. Google has hinted they plan to open up Genie's capabilities more broadly in the future. They recognize that such technology has the potential to transform multiple industries: entertainment, education, design, simulation, and they want to ensure responsible deployment. The future is here, and it's just the beginning. Google's Genie 3 is more than an incremental upgrade. It's a quantum leap toward AI that can craft, understand, and manipulate worlds with unprecedented detail, coherence, and control. It combines the best of prior models, physics, object permanence, promptability, into a seamless, real-time system that could revolutionize how we create and experience digital environments. While we're still in the early days, the potential is staggering. We are witnessing the dawn of an era where AI doesn't just assist us, it creates with us, enabling a new level of creativity, learning, and interaction. As Google continues to refine and expand Genie's capabilities, one thing is certain: the future of virtual worlds, AI-generated environments, and digital interaction has arrived, and it's more exciting than ever. The question is not just what AI can do, but what we will choose to do with it. Stay tuned, the best is yet to come.